ॐ नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमशिवशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and blessings. I welcome all the Sarvajñapita Kartas, Yajamans, Sarvavrityagi, ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, e-diplomats, everyone sitting with us all over the world. Mantreshwaras, Vidyeshwaras, Ganeshwaras, Lokeshwaras, Astreshwaras, I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Listen. The Paramashiva particle in you, God particle in you, is not just predominant, supreme. The God particle in you only is even the substance material for what you think as you and things forced on you other than you. Listen. Even what you think as delusion, your negativity, what you think that you don't want in your life, even all those things, the substance source material is supplied by you from your God particle material. You may think you don't want fear, but the adrenaline triggered by the fear, you enjoy it. That is why people enjoy these roller coaster rides, all that things which shocks them physically. So listen, even what you think you don't want, you don't enjoy superficially, you supply material for it for different reason. Listen intensely, listen carefully. I have seen people many times. I'll give you this one example. When they are fully integrated, they will just look into my eyes when they come for energization or sit in the Nayana Diksha. They will look into my eyes and literally dive into my eyes. But when they have something which they have not resolved within themselves, they will put their head down, not look into my eyes. Please understand, same thing you do with your God particle inside. Even what you think you don't want, you supply material to it. You continue to supply fuel for it, but you put your head down. and you also delude yourself by putting your head down, you can escape from the situation. Like cat thinks if it closes its eyes, the whole world becomes dark. The cat, whenever it steals the milk and drinks, it closes its eyes and thinks the whole world has become dark. So it can steal, nobody can see. Same way, understand this example. What do you think as the right thing in your life you want to manifest, and whatever wrong things you are manifesting, for both you supply material. You are the source material. Understand this. You will stop supplying material for wrong things. The moment you stop supplying material for wrong things, your delusions, your negativity, your fears, your anxieties, in few days it will settle down, it will collapse, it will melt down. First, understanding the God particle in you is not only predominant in you, supreme in you, that only is even the source material for what you think as bad also, good, bad, right, wrong, for everything. The God particle in you is the source material. If you understand this, you will stop wasting your source material and you will stop supplying your source material to wrong things. One of my brahmacharini, she was scribbling something about the past. I told her only one thing: all your opinion about past is wrong. Just drop the whole past. For what you are worrying is wrong. For what you are not worrying is wrong. About which you are concerned is wrong. About which you are not concerned is wrong. The whole past is a shit. Plan for the future. Look for the future. Build the future. That's it. If you try, you can be cunningly manipulating and justifying to yourself your life negative decisions are right, or you are much better than your past. Understand? You thinking you are much better than your past is indirectly supplying material to all your negativity and delusion. Listen now. The God particle in you, Parama Shiva in you, not only is dominant, supreme, he is the source material for your life. If you think you are much better than your past, you will continue to supply material for your negativity to be alive. You will say, no, earlier I used to cry 20 hours a day, now I reduced it to 18 hours a day. I am much better. And people should not expect me to walk too much. If you keep from 20 to 18, it will not take more than 1 or 2 months to get back to 20 and even 22 hours. Because the 18, when it gets empowered, it is not going to keep quiet with 18 hours. It is going to expand it to 20, 22 and go on. Be very clear. Absolutely no tolerance to any delusion, any negativity. God particle is enough in its pure form for your existence. I tell you, even if you don't get Ganges water, don't drink drainage water. If you don't get Ganges water, travel towards it, die in that journey, nothing wrong than to drink the drainage water and survive. This is the will persistence with which I started my journey, and Paramashiva manifested himself in me. I will get Ganges water, drink and live. If not, in that journey, I will leave my body, but no question of drinking the drainage water in between for survival's sake. No. Do not supply energy to your negativity. Do not supply energy for your delusions. Do not supply energy for your lack of intensity, and don't justify your intensity. Don't justify your lack of intensity. Sorry, let me repeat. Don't justify your lack of intensity. Don't treat yourself cute. Don't bring justifications for your lack of intensity. I'm overwhelmed and so happy when I heard the Sakshi Pramanas from the Kailasa Chinese world yesterday and today. What an amazing focused work, enriching, done by Ma Kailasa in the Kailasa Chinese world. First, I give all my blessings to Ma Kailasa for her focused work, and every Chinese devotee disciple who gave Sakshi Pramana in the Kailasa Chinese world yesterday's program and today's program, and who have not given Sakshi Pramana. There are many who have evolved but could not come for Sakshi Pramana. I bless all of you. Listen, this Kailasa Chinese world is a unique way of working, very focused. I could see every Sakshi Pramana is fact-based, clear. Because directly their life is transformed. I should say the best Sangha in the world, in our Kailasa, and the best team which is enriched properly, and the best Sakshi Pramana program in all three levels, Kailasa Chinese World Sangha, is something extraordinary, ultimate. The best way they have been enriched, focused way they are growing, and very focused, very powerful, fact-centered, right Sakshi Pramanas. In all three levels, Kailasa Chinese world is best. I want all Sanghas to learn from Kailasa Chinese world. So now, let me expand on this great truth. Cognize this one truth. The God particle in you is predominant and supreme. That not only has power over all your good, bad, right, wrong, everything in your life, your God particle only is the substance material even for the bad things you are manifesting. Like you have a lump of clay. In that clay only you make a lion. And in that clay only you make a wolf, fox, culinary. You manifest both. You give substance, clay material, even to make the fox, wolf, culinary. When you realize this, you will stop supplying material for culinary. Fox, wolf. Simply the fox, wolf's culinaries will collapse down. You will just be a lion, real Vedanta Kesari. This whole Paramashivoham level 3, I am going to focus on one word. Paramadvaita. Making you manifest Paramadvaita. Paramadvaita means till now whatever I have shared with you all, putting the whole thing together and making it into an experience, reality, manifesting. Hey Sadashiva, Sri Sadashiva, come down and settle down. I'm going to give initiation. Come and settle down. I'm going to give initiation to all of you now. First I'll finish explaining, then take you to initiation. If you guys want your cup of hot chocolate and your tea, coffee, bring all that and get settled. If you want to get your pets, get them. Your kids, get them. Whoever you want to get for the initiation, get them and settle down. We can start the initiation. But I'm going to continue to explain. Listen. If you know, even for your enemies you supply energy, you will not hate them in a stupid way, cheap way. You will have a patience to look in. Hey, what way I am supplying energy to them? What makes them energetic? Triggers which I am doing within me. When you look at this very patiently, you will understand. You suffering triggers them to attack you more. If you stop suffering and continue with your life, they just drop dead. Never change your lifestyle or life due to your enemies. Increase the smile, joy, excitement, intensity. Listen. If you ever change your lifestyle, because your enemies are criticizing you, abusing you, attacking you, gone. You have supplied energy to them. They are going to bully you more and more. When my enemies attack me for wearing gold jewelry, I make a gold throne also for me. Not only I don't bend because they criticize me, I expand. They get frightened to see my expansion, and energy supply to them stopped. And if they criticize me more for wearing gold jewels and gold throne, I'll make the dress also in gold fabric. That's the next thing I am going to do. They know that. That is why they are just keeping quiet. Oh God, now he has announced, by the end of this satsang, I will have 10 people sponsoring me, 10 full set dress made out of gold. I'll read out the messages. My enemies, people who cherish enmity towards me, they know it. That is why they are just keeping quiet and they just collapse automatically. They just collapse. I tell you, don't hate your enemies. Don't hate people who create toxic atmosphere in your life. Don't hate anybody who makes your life hard. Have a deep patience, knowing you, Paramashiva, God particle in you, Paramashiva. It is you who is supplying material even for your enemies to be energetic, alive, active. Then you will understand how you are supplying energy to them. When they see they are successful in their efforts by depressing you or reducing your expression, your life focus, distracting you or slowing down your speed, when they see all that, they get energetic. The moment you understand that, that clicks with you, you know how to keep yourself excited, energetic, intense, active, without supplying energy to them, without letting their motive get fulfilled. You know how to manifest you. That is enough. The people who cherish enmity towards me will just collapse and they will stop. They will not feel energetic anymore. They won't be able to make your life difficult. Actually, all these gold jewels I wear as a responsibility to demonstrate Hindu traditions. That's all. I am neither attached to it nor I hate it. I am just untouched by it. People who lived around me will know the moment satsang is over, public program is over, I will remove everything. I will just be like Ramana Maharshi. My Paramashiva space. On my body only one will be there, that Atmalinga Kandi, that's all. The Atmalinga I always wear on my body. Other than that, nothing else will be there. And one Devi's Prasadam, Shakti, I wear that. Other than that, you won't find anything on me. Listen. But I never allow my enemies to bully me or my lifestyle. First thing, you should stop hating your enemies. Don't hate your enemies. Don't get agitated by them. Don't get terrorized by them. That's the first step. If you start hating, get terrorized, you will not look into them. You will not know how you are supplying energy to them. You will be stupid. That's what I am telling. If you are stupid, you won't know the route, the method through which you are supplying energy to them. If you stop hating people who make your life toxic, if you stop getting agitated by the memories of your enemies, if you stop getting agitated by anybody who attacks you, you will have the patience, power to look into how you are supplying energy to them, how you are supplying material to them. Then simply you will know. Simply you will know. How you are supplying energy and how to stop supplying energy to your enemies, to your delusions. I tell you, anybody who adds toxic atmosphere in your life, do not get bullied by them. Do not bend for them. Be absolutely super conscious. Be absolutely in highest God particle level. Don't justify your past and don't try to tell you are better than your past. No! Past is dead. No question of growth, only breakthroughs. Cheap people grow, royal people give breakthrough to themselves in their life. My everyday satsang is not for your spiritual growth, but for your spiritual breakthrough. Either you give breakthrough to yourself or I break you and get you through the initiation. That is what initiation is all about. I break you from your past and get you through to your great future. Don't allow anyone who adds toxic atmosphere, anyone who makes your life toxic. Ma Nitya Nishkrodananda, Monica Sulender, I am with you and your son and with your husband also. I have already liberated him and I am with your whole family. Don't worry. I am really with you, doing what needs to be done.